Hi, this is Vihit and you are watching my channel which is Grow With Me. And today I'll be answering a question which is what is the difference between programming and coding? So, this presentation is created by me and I have my name under there, Grow With Me, my channel's name. Okay. So, what is programming and coding? So, we all have our mobile phone with us, right? So, when we open an alarm app in our mobile phone, okay, and we set a particular time to which our phone will just play some sound at that time which we have set, okay. So, we did programming over here. We programmed our phone and gave it some instructions to act on that particular time, okay. So when the clock will hit that time on the next day in the morning, let's say I have set an alarm of 6 a.m. in the morning. When the clock will hit 6 a.m. in my phone will just play some sound. The app will play some sound based on what kind of sound you have selected, okay. If you have not selected any sound, then the app will by default play its default ringtone or default sound, right? So that's how programming is done. You give some particular instruction to your phone, you have done programming, and similarly you program in your day-to-day life. It sounds crazy, but yes, you program day-to-day life, right from uh, setting an alarm in the previous night to making a timetable for the next day. Everything comes under programming. You're programming yourself to do some specific tasks. So that's how programming is done. And coding is basically related to all the electronic stuff, like when you open an alarm app, okay, to open that app there is some kind of coding behind it. When you set an alarm, there is some kind of coding behind it. When that particular when the clock hits that timer, that time which you have set on your alarm app, there is and when the sound is played, there is some coding behind it, okay. So that's where coding is done. And you can say that programming is a whole thing. Programming is like the planet Earth, and coding is basically just a continent on the planet Earth. Okay, it's that simple. But yes, we use these two words thinking like they have the same meaning, but they are just interrelated to each other. They are not the same. Know the difference. They are interrelated, they are not the same. Okay, they don't have the same meaning. Let's understand the definition of it. So, in programming, we code, develop, analyze, and solve the problem. That means in programming, we have to think of the problem, then analyze the problem, then develop a solution for it, and then develop a code for it. So, that means you have to first know how to code to be a programmer, okay? And to be a coder, you just have to learn some particular kind of programming language, and you are a coder, okay. So that's why I said coding is basically a small, or you can say a part of programming. So next, what is the aim? In programming, our aim is the result of code should sync with a human solution. That means whatever code, whatever algorithm we prepare in programming, it should sync with the human solution. That means it should be human understandable. The solution should be human understandable, as well as whatever code we uh, put into our computer, it should perform all the instructions as per our need, okay. So coding basically aims to write instruction to the computer in terms of basic programming languages or assembly languages. Assembly language basically machine language, which is uh, one level below the programming languages. Okay, so that's a different topic. We are not going over there now. So this was all about programming and coding. This question is basically not asked in all the vivas and all, but yes, in some colleges and in some interviews, few interviews, okay, few in colleges and interviews, this question is asked. What is the difference? So make sure you uh, understand the difference very much clearly and answer the question. Okay, so basically in a gist, coding is a part of programming, and programming is like the planet Earth, and coding is basically a continent on the planet Earth. It's that simple. Keep it simple and sweet. Okay, a very important fact I need to say that you program your friend in your day-to-day life. Okay, it sounds very crazy, it sounds very funny, but yes, it's the reality. It's something like you're saying to your friend like, hey, you have to come to my house and at this particular time, and he or she listens to you and they come to your house at that particular time which you have given. So that means you programmed your friend according to your instructions and they act according to you. So that's what you have programmed. Okay, so that's your programming. Cool. So this was all about programming and coding, and now if you have watched this video till now, then there's a surprise for you, and the surprise is all in one Python course. So basically I have designed a Python course right from the beginners to the intermediate level, okay, which will have 6 premium ebooks, complete Python handwritten notes, and topics covered in this video tutorials are introduction to Python, Python installation, comments, variables, typecasting, all types of operators. If you search on Google operators in Python, and the list which you will get, all those operators are included in this tutorial. Then strings, lists, tuples, sets, dictionaries, input function, if and else statements, for loops, while loops, functions, parameters and arguments. But you will say like, hey, these all topics are included in your uh, Python crash course, right, which you have developed. Yes, they are included, but the following topics, okay, the topics which are next, they were not included, which are object-oriented programming. This was included, but file handling, scope, modules and packages, math module, JSON, regular expressions, lambda expressions, decorators, generators, and after all these topics, we'll be building 2 amazing projects, which will be a tic-tac-toe game, and the last will be a dungeon, which is basically a text-based adventure game, okay, which is amazing and you will definitely love it. So what are the requirements to join this course? You just need a Windows, Mac or Linux laptop or PC, which I think most of you, all of you will have it. And there is no prior coding or programming knowledge required. I will teach you right from the basics, as you have seen in the contents before. The duration, these are total 42 videos, and the total play time is 10 hours, approximately 10 hours, and you will have a lifetime access to all the premium ebooks, 6 premium ebooks, handwritten notes, the video tutorials, as well as it is in English, and you will get a 24/7 doubt solving support from me. You will be given a Telegram channel link, and you will be joining my group, in which you can ask your doubts regarding Python, okay, regarding the course, or any other doubt you have regarding programming or coding, okay. You can ask your doubts over there, and your doubt will be solved within 1 or 2 hours maximum. Okay, so yeah, this all-in-one Python course is obviously not for free because of the 6 premium ebooks with a video course, 24/7 support, and the handwritten notes. And it's very much cheap. It's just for rupees 99. It's instead of buying a 100 rupee dairy milk, you can just buy this course and make the best out of it. And yes, this course is basically just available for 15 days, right from the day I have posted this video on YouTube till the 15th day. On the 15th day, I'll be removing the link of the course from the description below. So make sure you buy this course before the 15 days period is completed, and make the best out of it, and just be a better version of yourself, improve your coding skills, and understand Python very well. And yes, that's all for this tutorial. I hope you guys liked it, understood it very well, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. And on weekly basis, I'll be posting videos like this on Python and coding. So make sure you don't miss that. Okay, and hit the like button if you like this video, and stay healthy, stay safe, wear a mask, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.